Namaste. Today we will continue with the 23rd Sloka in chapter 2. Nainaṁ chindanti śastrāṇi, nainaṁ dahati pāvakaḥ, na cainaṁ kledayanty-āpo, na śoṣayati mārutaḥ. Na enam chindanti śastrāṇi, na enam dahati pāvakaḥ, na ca enam kledayanty-āpo, na śoṣayati mārutaḥ. The previous sloka, Bhagavan had told that just as we discard the dress when it becomes old, this Jivan also discards the body when it is no more fit to support and goes to another body. In this sloka, Bhagavan again reiterates the fact that Atma is beyond destruction. Now, let us look at the meaning of the words before actually looking at the meaning of the sloka. Chindanti, meaning cut. Shastram is a weapon which is used with the hand, like swords, etc. There is another classification called as astram, where they used to use mantra and throw it. Brahmastram, for instance, had an associated mantra which used to be chanted before releasing the weapon. Dahati, meaning burn. Pāvakaḥ, meaning fire. Pāvayati iti pāvakaḥ, one who purifies. The dhatu is actually from pu, which means to purify. Pavane, pu pavane, which means to purify. Kledayanti, meaning wet. Āpah, meaning water. Śoṣayati, meaning dry up. Mārutaḥ, meaning air. Now let us look at the meaning of the sloka. Nainaṁ, enam here means the Atmasvarupam. Chindanti śastrāṇi, none of the weapons can cut Atma. Nainaṁ dahati pāvakaḥ, the Atma cannot be burnt. Na ca enam kledayanty-āpo, the water cannot wet it. Na śoṣayati mārutaḥ, and the wind cannot dry it. Bhagavan here says that all the five bhutas, space we can leave because it just gives avakasham. Avakasham means space for other things. So all the other four bhutas cannot destroy Atma. Whatever we see on this earth is subject to destruction. Whatever appeared will disappear one day. Whatever arrived will depart. So the destruction that we see on this earth can be usually of four types. One, it being made into smaller and smaller pieces. We see mountains broken down, trees cut down. That's one type. The second type is where it is burnt, trees being burnt. This third type is with water, where the water can decompose things. We have seen plants staying long in water dying. The next type is air, where especially animals that live in water like fishes, when they come out in the air, can get destroyed or die because of lack of water. So here Bhagavan says that Atma is not destroyed by these four elements and is beyond destruction. Atma is the cause for all these Panchabhutas. Taittiriya Upanishad says, Tasmat va etasmat atmana akashas sambhudah. From Atma, the first thing that was born was Akashah. It is the Sukshma Bhuta or the subtle element. The thing that we see is called a Sthula Bhutam, and we will see later how this Sthula Bhutam is formed. But the subtle Panchabhuta, namely the Akasha or space, was the first element born out of Atma. Akashat Vayuhu. From space, air was born. Vayur Agnihi. From air, fire. Agnerapah. From fire, water. Adbhyaf Prithvi. And from water, the earth element was born. So these Panchabhutas are born from that Atma Tattvam and they cannot destroy Atma. Atma is beyond destruction and is eternal. We'll continue again with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.